When I took over as mayor, we were already in the loop for our long-term Phase 3 control plan for our water pollution. So I knew coming into this that we were going to have to get some bids and match that up with what IDEM was wanting us to do. We started into the process with the engineering firm, which was basically on the inside of the plant, doing that work first. About 60% into the design, the firm got back with us and said, oh, by the way, it's going to be about 60% more than what we thought on the overall cost. Now, we knew that were ballpark figures to begin with, but that was obviously a shocker to us. And we have an obligation to our ratepayers here. We just felt like we had to get a second opinion.
Commonwealth came in and did value engineering to compare what they thought it would cost based on what we needed compared to what the other contractor, and they thought they could save us several $1,000,000. They had several different basins that they were going to put at our CSOs, and instead of doing that, what we ended up doing was putting lift stations and putting the EQ basins in central locations. We had to extend our long-term control plan, which IDEM does not like to do.
You know, when you've already set your timetables with IDEM, that's a tough situation because you're on a time track, but we felt like we owed it to our constituents and the ratepayers here.
Commonwealth coordinated with IDEM and they've coordinated with the SRF.
What Commonwealth has done for us is looked at it from a standpoint of we're not just trying to put a Band-Aid on this. We want it to be something that's going to be functional and also the operating costs of it. A lot of times you don't think about how much is it going to cost to keep this operating. So they've been great at looking at all that.
What we were able to do is address some additional concerns that we had that were not addressed by the original design. As far as SSOs were concerned up on the hilltop area, address our phosphorus issue that we just got added, plus take care of the CSO problems. By being able to take care of these additional problems that we found, should be able to bring in more growth as far as industries into the city. It's increased our amount that we can take in down at the plant, so therefore we feel able to take in more revenue as far as other companies coming in or more housing development, stuff like that.
We're trying to get all that done right the first time. When we chose to get a second opinion, we went with Commonwealth. The more I meet with these people, they're just fantastic. It's nice to have not just a professional relationship with people, but you develop a bond. I like to feel they're not just in this for the money and to get the business. I really feel like that they really are trying to help our community out.